Hey yo, good morning everyone. I'm back home. I was back home yesterday evening. This is my first morning back home and look at the colors that are coming from the sun. Today is going to be such a beautiful... Hey, that's my dog. Yeah, he's a bit tired. Today is going to be such a beautiful day. Oh, look at the colors. That's awesome. Just, Anyway, I have to go to the hospital in about 10 minutes for my hernia. So I'm going to have some breakfast and yeah, that's about it. Made it back home and I was watching YouTube for a few hours. Yeah, hours. And then I realized I have some chores to do. So yeah, that's one of the downsides of still living at home. Your parents can still give you chores to do. So, yeah. Okay, so we have this office, right? And you see the rubber of the roof, but it's not yet attached to the roof yet. So it happens that it flaps around and it's not good because it makes the wood rot, so we don't want to lose our roof. So I go up and have to pull the flaps back just like they are right now. But whilst doing that, it's extremely slippery, so I fell. Right now I have to clean the roof, but it's slippery, so I'm going to clean the roof and hopefully I won't fall. So I almost fell off the roof right there, so time to clean the roof. Yo, I'm gonna have to use my climbing rope so I can't fall off. Damn. So I attached myself to the rope and the rope is attached to my punching bag on the ground. So if I fall, I'm safe. Kind of. I feel like there has to be a more effective way, but I'm not smart enough to think about one. And this is fun because I like climbing, so
only got you got on your mind, babe. Can't find the reason why you got your love working overtime.
see, I'm just sliding. I'm literally just sliding. You see, I really need this to get back up. I'm gonna try. If I get back next time, I'll try not to use the rope. Right, it's time for me to get a haircut because what is that? That is just But once again I'm going to use some video magic to But once again I'm going to use some video magic to get it done much quicker. So yeah. Whoa, that's a lot better. Well, I think it's a lot better. It wasn't difficult to have a better haircut than what I had previously because yeah. Currently it's still beautiful weather. My dog's outside. It's beautiful weather, so I think I'm going for a motorcycle ride because it's just too beautiful to stay indoors. Well, shit. Oh, that's not properly closed. Well, shit. Well, that sucks. This opened when I fell, so that's all gasoline. Well, that's the first time I fell. No big deal. We got these things. Yeah. Alright. I officially fucked myself. It keeps standing because of how deep it is. Well, I'm gonna be here for a while.
I'm not the only guy. You got on your mind, babe. Can't find the reason why. You got your love working on the time. Keep the fire burning, baby.
Well, that went as well as expected. You see, my tires are not made for this. These are tires for mud and no, not mud, sand and rocks. Now, obviously, that is not sand and rocks. So, time to go home. Well, I made it home. Damn, that motorcycle ride was that was something. I'm still a rookie in going off-roading with my motorcycle. Well, that's my dad's motorcycle, but I'm still a rookie in off-roading. Nevertheless, I enjoyed it. I have a lot to learn. I'll probably change the tires because this didn't work at all. That being said, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really did, even though I got stuck, even though I almost slipped off the roof. But yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Goodbye. Oh yeah! You know what's going to happen? Hold on, hold on. Where's my cell phone? Oh! Look at this, look at this. Hold on. Look, look, look. You can't see it. Do you see that? So that says that in 38 hours, I'll be leaving to New York. Yes! 38 hours and I'm going to New York. So, stay tuned for some epic content from New York. Anyway, this is the real one. I'm gonna see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.